Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll show you the battery draining details by using the super power saving mode in this Realme X1 Max device. Yes, so there's an option which is called the super power saving mode, so where you can actually save a little bit kind of more battery when you're in the critical state. That is what I am using right now. Let me show you exactly how much battery life I got right now. So this is what is called the super power saving mode, as you can see friends. So yesterday night before sleeping, the battery backup of this Realme X1 Max was close to 10%. For example, when you're willing to travel and if you don't have that kind of amount of battery, then you can definitely put in the super power saving mode. And this is a test which I did using single SIM card. And there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no 4G connection enabled during this time of demonstration. As you can see right now, the battery decreased to 7%. Let me show you the screenshots as well. Let me exit this super power saving mode option, as you can see. So this is a really good useful option in case if you don't have that much kind of battery left, and if you want to survive for a little bit kind of more longer time, then this is the best case you can actually enable that. So you can actually find that settings when you try to go to battery, and which is called the super power saving mode option. As you can see the difference between power saving mode and the super power saving mode. So when you click on this one, this will take you into this kind of small menu, as you can see friends. So where you can add all the applications as well, so there's no issues. You can add even the games, but there is no use of adding the games because you want to save the battery, right? So these are the minimum applications. If you try to use, the battery will not be drained alone. Let me just show you the screenshot how much the battery was night and how much the battery was today morning. So this exact screenshot which I taken around midnight 12:26, as you can see exactly 12:26, and the battery backup at the time was about close to 10%, as you can see friends, and one SIM card. And this is during the morning time, so morning time around 9 o'clock and 9:04, and the battery percentage was about close to 7%. So overall it was drained only 3% for the overnight if you try to keep the single SIM card and in this super power saving mode. So what I feel like, even if you don't keep in the super power saving mode, still the battery draining would be kind of close to 3 to 4% only, I would say. But in case if for an emergency situation, you can, if you want, you can keep this option. There will be no background battery will be utilizing by any kind of applications as well. That's a one thing. So overall friends, 3% got drained for the overnight test which I did for I think close to 9 hours of time, maybe 8.5 hours of time. So 3% got drained in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is after the recent software update, which is a 8.17 update in this phone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details as well. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.